We should long press the Wi-Fi button until the LED is on, then blinks. Open the app, click Add Device. It will find the device automatically. After you add the device, the Wi-Fi LED is on in green. Step 2. Pair the sensor with controller. We have two types of sensor to pair. One is door sensor. The other is angle sensor. Now we pair the door 1 with door sensor. Press the door 1 button until it blinks in yellow. Turn the switch to position 1. It will pair door 1. You can see that the garage door is open now. We put it up. The door is closed, indicating that door 1 is paired successfully. Now pair the door 2 with door sensor. Press the door 2 button until it blinks in yellow. Then press again until it blinks in red. Turn the switch to position 2. It will pair door 2. Now the magnet and sensor are separated, so the app shows that the garage door is open. We brought them to close and we could see that the stage of the door changed to close, indicating that door 2 is paired successfully. Now pair the door 3 with angle sensor. Press the door 3 button until it blinks in yellow. Turn the switch to position 3. It will pair door 3. The LED will be on in yellow. You can see that the garage door is closed now. We put it down. The door is open, indicating that door 3 is paired successfully.